Mila, Morphle. Caregiver Kamal called. He says he needs your help at the zoo.
Okay, Daddy. Morphle, morph into a flying house.
Mila, Morphle, great! I need your help. Could you and Morphle help bring this penguin, camel, and monkey to their new homes in the wild?
Sure.
Great!
We can all fly in Morphle the flying house. The desert is hot and dry. It's the perfect home for a camel. Morphle, look! It's a dragon! I think he wants to come with us. I think we can find a new home for him. Right, Morphle? Yay! Uh-oh. The South Pole is the perfect home for a penguin, but it's way too cold for a dragon. Okay, let's go to another place. The rainforest is the perfect home for a monkey. Uh-oh, but I think the rainforest might be too wet for dragons. It's not easy finding the perfect home for a dragon, but we're not giving up. Look, Morphle! It's a volcano! This is a perfect place for a dragon to live. Okay, dragon. You seem very happy in your new home. Now it's time for Morphle and me to go back home. You're a magic pet. It doesn't matter where magic pets are in the world. They won't feel at home without their human companion. But I already have a magic pet, Morphle. But I know where we can find you a great human companion. What?
At the Magic Pet Center, we'll find you a magic match in no time.
Look, Morphle, like this.
Morphle too! Morphle too!
Shh. Aww. Don't worry, Morphle. You'll get the hang of it, but you'll never be as good as this little guy. Meet Boba, our newest magic pet. Boba loves blowing bubbles. He tends to bubble over with joy from it. Whoa! See?
That looks like fun.
Whee! Boba, this is high enough.
I can't get out. Morphle, morph into something big.
Huh? Ah! Dump truck! Now Morphle saved Mila! Mila? Uh-oh! Huh?
What is... Huh? Help! Help me!
Morphle, help! Whoa!
Oh no! There's a car falling from the sky! Phew!
There you are, Boba. Listen, you can't just blow your magic bubbles everywhere. It's causing lots of problems. Morphle, can you pop my bubble?
Whoa!
Oh, phew. Thanks, Morphle.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
Mila!
You saved me! Thank you, Morphle.
Yeah!
Nice. I was a bit on the bubble whether I'd see my car again.
Well, Boba, next time you bubble over, please don't take it so literally. Mila! Morphle! Geraldo's on the phone for you.
Thanks, Daddy. Hi, Geraldo.
Hello! As a thank you for always being so helpful, I have created a special new ice cream flavor. Mila and Morphle Swirl!
Ice cream!
Oh, it's so delicious, I can't stop eating it. And now there's only a bit left.
Ice cream!
So you need to come quickly before I finish it all. I'm on Jungle Island.
Morphle come too?
Oh no! It's Orphle! If he gets there first, he'll eat all the special ice cream. Morph into a super fast race car to catch Orphle.
Morphle! Morph!
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical. Watch out, Morphle! A race car isn't so fast in the ocean, Orphle. Hey! Morphle, help! Mila! Thanks, Morphle. Well done, Morphle. We made it to Jungle Island. Let's go find Geraldo. How will we get through all these trees? Morphle, morph into a monkey. A race car isn't so fast in the jungle, Orphle.
Huh? Oh.
Orphle got ice cream!
Don't worry, I just made some more. Now there's plenty for everyone. Ha
Every day's a magical day with a magic hat.
These flowers look great, Mila. I think we need some more dirt around the yellow ones.
Morphle, help! Morphle! Morph!
Whoa, thanks for helping, Morphle. Looks like the flowers could use some water now. Oh no, Morphle! You're getting yourself and everything muddy!
Morphle loves mud!
You are one muddy Morphle.
Too muddy. Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical. And take a bath. This bath is so nice and warm. And look, I'm filling it with bubble.
Morphle, no bath.
Come on now, Morphle. It's bath time.
Morphle, morph, morph.
Hold on, Morphle. Maybe he should morph into a ball, but then he'd bounce away. I got it. Morphle, morph into a penguin so you can dive into the pool.
Morphle, morph, morph.
I'll catch you, Morphle.
Morphle slipping.
Wow, a slip-sliding penguin. Hi. Morphle, I'm coming to get you. We have to stop this. You're getting mud everywhere. Watch out for Mr. Vanderboost. Morphle, morph into a huge sponge to soak up the water so you can stop.
Morphle, morph, morph.
My ice cream!
Yay, ice cream.
Whoa! Watch out, Morphle!
Now I'm wet! Oh. Ugh. Mud? I really don't like mud. Now go home and take your mess with you.
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboost and Barky. I will. Okay, Morphle, you spongy sponge. Let's get you in the bath and all cleaned up.
Well, we finally got our muddy Morphle into the bath.
I know! Now you're all clean, Morphle, so you can come out of the bath.
Morphle bath time. Morphle stay.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Did you have fun at the fair, Mila and Morphle?
Yes! And I can't wait to play tea parties with our new baby doll prize.
Morphle thinks baby no want tea.
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical. Animi, can you bring our baby doll to life? Then she can really join in.
Hello, Builder Mary.
Hi there. I need a magic pet to help me move some heavy bricks. Can anyone help?
Animi could bring them to life, and they could move themselves.
That would be great.
We'll be back soon, Mila and Morphle.
Bye-bye.
No, giant baby. Magic pet treats aren't baby food. Morph into a ball. Uh-oh. I don't think bringing baby to life was such a good idea. Let's take her to Animi so he can magic her back to a doll again. Oh no! Baby, stop that! You'll hurt Mr. Vanderboost and Barky. Morphle, morph into a kite to get the baby off the car.
No.
Oh no! Stop, giant baby! That's not real ice cream!
Oh no! My van!
Sorry, Geraldo. We'll help you fix it later. Morphle, morph into a dump truck to catch the baby.
Morphle, morph, morph.
I've got an idea. Let's rock the baby to sleep. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. You did it, Morphle. Animi, please can you turn our baby doll back to normal?
Morphle think baby awake.
Please hurry, Animi.
Phew.
Mila, What's going on?
Sorry, Daddy. Next time we can play tea parties without bringing the toys to life. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Hey, cute little fella. It's so funny to think that one day you will be big and scary.
With this zapper that we stole from Professor Paula, we can turn these animals into giants.
We're gonna have a great day at the animal sanctuary, Morphle.
Mila, Morphle, the bandits are zapping all the animals into giants.
Oh no! We need to get the zapper back. Morphle, morph into a superhero.
Isn't this great, Marky? Oh no! No, no! Ah!
Give us the zapper, bandits.
I don't think so. You're zap them. Uh-oh, we didn't think that one through. We'll be back.
Great! Now let's zap back all the animals. There! It's the penguin. That's one. Hi, we're back.
Great! But... Huh? Oh no! You've become very small. But you're still great animals. Hey!
Ready to play hide and seek? Yay! Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me.
I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out, wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks.
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm a superhero! I see Morphle! But the bandits have him. Oops.
Morphle!
Oh, stop! The bridge is going up! We can make it!
I command you to stop. Hey!
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge!
Thanks, Mila! Now we have our own helicopter! Yeah. Hey! What's going on?
I've got an idea! Follow me!
Morphle, no bandit helicopter! Quick! Let's steal these bikes and get away! Uh-oh!
Mila! Yes! It's me, Morphle! Jump in! Let's get these bandits back where they belong!
Sorry! Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day's a magical day with morphing magic friends.
Morphle! Morph, morph! Huh? You've been slimed!
Oh no! It's the bandits!
Yeah, and we're gonna slime the whole city.
No, don't tell them the plan, you fool!
We need to stop them! Morphle, morph into a...
Not in my city, Mila and Morphle. What do you think you're doing?
We need to catch the bandits!
You need to clean up all this slimy mess you've made.
But we...
Now!
Let's clean the slime up quickly. Yay! Now let's stop those bandits from sliming the city. Uh-oh. Slime! There they are! Look! They're going to slime Police Officer Freeze! Uh-oh! Morphle, spray their slime away with your trunk!
Huh? You two are making a slimy mess again. Clean it up!
But we...
Now!
Okay, Officer Freeze. Yay! Clean again.
For no read!
We need something that can reach the high-up slime. Morphle, morph into a fire truck.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Yay, we did it, Morphle! But now we gotta catch those bandits. Let's go! There they are! Quick, Morphle! Blast them with water! You can do it, Morphle!
No!
So, it was the bandits sliming the city all along?
Yes, that's what I was trying to tell you.
Sorry, Mila and Morphle. I jumped to conclusions. And thanks for cleaning up the city. Now I need to clean up the streets of bad guys.
That's okay. At least we caught the slime bandits. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Hey, Mila and Morphle, ready for our picnic?
Yes, Daddy!
Yay! Picnic!
We're off to the park. Take good care of the Magic Pet Center while we're gone.
Bye-bye, everyone. Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical.
They've gone! Now we can steal Antmo and use the Bandit Mobile to channel his freezing powers.
Not bad.
You! Gotcha! Now, Atmo's freezing powers can be zapped through this tube. Well, hello, madam. Is the hot weather bothering you?
Yes, terribly. How nice of you to ask.
Freeze her! Much better, right?
This looks like the perfect place for a picnic.
Whoa! Hey, how did this ice get here?
It's the bandits! They've got Atmo and are using his freezing powers to make ice.
Poor Atmo. Let's get him!
Oh no! They've frozen Morphle.
Morphle, morph into something big to break the ice. Well done, Morphle. Now we gotta catch those bandits before they freeze the whole city.
Freezing people? Not in my city. Freeze, bandits!
Okay, officer. Freeze.
Look out, Morphle!
Let's get him!
Mila!
Morph!
Phew! Thanks for melting the ice, Morphle. Now, morph into a monster ice truck. Great job, Morphle!
Oh, how about this? Uh-oh.
My beautiful ice cream truck!
Let's make this an ice cream picnic.
Yay! Ice cream!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Hey, Daddy! Look at me!
I can't see you, Mila.
Look up!
Morphle and Mila, the superhero.
Morphle wanna join!
Huh? Morphle, what are you doing?
Morphle super suit!
Yay! Now we can all be superheroes. Let's make today magical. Oh, I have an idea. Let's have a race.
Morphle race, Morphle! Morphle race, Morphle!
First one to reach the mountaintop wins. Ready?
Set, go! Morphle, wait! Whoa! Huh? Oh no, now they're ahead. Let's jump. Whoa!
Wow!
Oh yeah! Huh? What? Morphle, that wasn't nice.
Huh? Well done, Morphle! I've never felt so strong! Woohoo! I think I know a shortcut. Go that way, Morphle. Woohoo!
Ha! I think we're winning, Morphle.
Yay!
Huh? Morphle, let's morph wheels in a jetpack to jump over the river.
Yay! Morphle, morph wings so we can get up the mountain.
Morphle, morph, morph!
I think it's a tie.
Yay! Morphle no win?
We all won.
It's not about winning. It's about having fun that really counts. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Or two.